Here are 5 best things how to generate passive income. Number 1. Dividend investing. Explore the world of stocks that pay regular dividends, allowing you to earn passive income through consistent payouts. Number 2. Real estate investment. Consider investing in rental properties or real estate crowdfunding to generate passive income through rental payments or property appreciation. Number 3. Online business ventures. Create and monetize digital assets, such as blogs, YouTube channels, or online courses, to generate passive income through advertising, sponsorships, or sales. Number 4. Cryptocurrency staking. Explore opportunities to stake cryptocurrencies, allowing you to earn passive income through the validation of transactions and network participation. Number 5. Automated business models. Engage in business models like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or e-commerce that can be automated to generate passive income through online sales and partnerships. Which number do you like best? Follow our channel to stay up to date for new finance topics.